In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone full brightness still dark or iPhone brightness is not increasing problem. So if you're having any kind of brightness issue after your last iOS update on your iPhone, here's how to fix it. Go to your iPhone settings app and then first of all tap on display and brightness, and here make sure to disable true tone option, and then go back from the settings, and now you have to go to accessibility settings, and here scroll down and just tap on display and text size, and here you have to tap on color filters and make sure to disable color filter from here. Go back from this page and now tap on you have to disable reduce white point. So if it's turned on, then if you increase your brightness will not be full bright. So all you have to need disable this reduce white point option, and then also you have to disable auto brightness option from here. And after following all of these settings, you have to give a simple restart, and after restarting your iPhone, you'll see your brightness is working perfectly. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.